Pulled off the road to this beautiful landscape that God created. We got some just fabulousness. Got the birds and the creatures, all kinds of different cultures. Look at that. People back in the day knew to choose a place to live that was way more in touch with spirituality. And in the end, they knew how to take care of it because they were working with nature. Look at this place. Look at this place that God made. And all these thorns. You know, it's a real picture. They hold back their water with their thorns. We need to not do that. We need to give our water. Oh, fabulous. It's like a little spring down there or something. Majestic. Truly majestic. I love it. Loving nature.